with Epson LabelWorks. Today I'm with the LW-PX750 and I'm going to show you what it might look like when you need to clean your printhead and how to do that. If you ever notice that your labels are coming out with a consistent void line through them, that's an indicator that it's time to clean your printhead. To do that, you're going to want a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol or something equivalent. Get the cotton swab wet, open the printer, and take out the tape cartridge. Now the printhead is this portion here with the copper and the black and the green. You're going to just wipe that down, give it a second to dry, and then you can put your tape right back in and get back to labeling. That's how to clean the printhead on the LW-PX750. If you have questions on this printer or want to chat about your labeling needs, give us a call. We would love to talk with you. Thanks again and happy labeling.